mirrors?
Do you like looking at yourself in the mirror? How often? Do you like looking at yourself in the mirror? How often? Have you ever bought mirrors? Have you ever bought mirrors?
If you are looking for more questions and strengthen yourself for the test, subscribe to our channel and like the video to be the first to see the latest videos.
Do you usually take a mirror with you? Do you usually take a mirror with you? Would you use mirrors to decorate your room? Would you use mirrors to decorate your room?
If you know the answers to the questions, you can write to us in the comments section.